Hi, this is Mrs. Earl with a quick tutorial on voice to text. Once you've added the voice to text Chrome extension, you click on it and up will come a box. When you click continue, you can record your observations and your thoughts about the scene or event. I'm sitting on the beach looking out over the ocean. It is a cool, clear day. In the distance, I can see boats sailing on the water, children playing in the sand. I walk through the sand and I can feel the sand squishing between my toes. I hear the seagulls screeching up ahead. It's so relaxing listening to the waves crash on the shore. I love being at the beach. When you're done, you need to hit pause. Notice that part of my text is not in white, so I need to hit continue so that it saves. And then I can hit copy. It does copy all of the text. I come down into my document. All I have to do is right click and paste. Control paste, and there is my text. Okay.